What are rituals? Ito pong mga rituals ay yung tinatawag na rites, ceremonies, formalities, ordinances, or sacraments na palagi nating ginagawa when we attend religious services. What is the problem with rituals? Alam po ninyo, we were taught and instructed from early childhood na i-memorize and enact so many of them. But it was never explained to us bakit ba natin ginagawa ang mga bagay na ito and what is the meaning of those things. In other words, the rituals that we learned are deficient of spiritual revelations na napaka-importante. And because they seemed meaningless and empty to us, eventually and naturally, the routines of these rituals ay nagiging monotonous, tiring, nakakapagod, and unexciting. Why do we have rituals in our Christian religion? Because rituals are God's way of making our limited human minds understand yung mga heavenly and spiritual things through the use of earthly things. And because we are humans, we tend to be forgetful. So, kailangan po natin yung earthly things to remind us of heavenly things. Halimbawa, the ring from your wedding ritual can help you look back to remind you that you have a covenant of faithfulness with God and your partner. We were not made to understand that those religious rituals are only shadows that point us to the substance and sparkle which is Jesus Christ. In the Old Testament, yung pong mga utos ni Moises have a lot of sacrificial rituals that cannot make them experience the nearness of God and cannot make them feel complete as a person. But still, they were given for a purpose. Bakit po? To remind them to look forward or to the future through faith and hope for the coming to them of the Messiah or Christ Himself to heal their brokenness. In our time, the church rituals are given to remind us to look back with faith and hope. Ano po yun? The Messiah or Christ has already come about 2,000 years ago to dwell in our hearts, hindi na po doon sa temples or buildings made by human hands, and to make us complete. But we were taught very little about knowing in a deeper way and seeing the Jesus of the Bible underneath these rituals. That is why, as so-called Christians, we need this grace from God, the enrich all knowledge of Christ's gospel o yung pinagyamang kaalaman ng Ebanghelyo ng ating Kristo. Do we now see Jesus and His works in the rituals that we were taught to undergo as children? Do you see Christ in water baptism? Alam nyo, water baptism, wala po itong kapangyarihan to save our souls. Instead, you undergo such ritual to announce to the world that Jesus saved you already. When we undergo or witness water baptism, tayo po ay pinaalalahanan or we are reminded that our old self or old life died and was buried already with Christ. But through His resurrection, we were given a new life. Do you see Jesus in the Holy Communion? It does not have the power to transform mystically the bread and wine to the actual body and blood of Jesus. Sa halip po, this sacrament is a reminder to us that Jesus Christ offered His blood and body for our redemption, para sa ating katubusan from a life of sin while we wait for His return. Ang atin pong learnings sa ating pinag-usapan, enact the shadows but exalt the substance. In other words, worship the substance but not the shadows.